Seamless patterns are a great way to add texture, color, and interest to your designs. But with so many different options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've put together a list of our top 10 seamless pattern Illustrator templates from Envato Elements to help you find the perfect one for your next project. Number 10. Line Patterns by Unio CS. Perfect for banners, backgrounds, and graphic design accents, this kit of seamless patterns features 100 unique vectors to choose from. Its design is based on various geometric figures that produce hypnotic patterns, which can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. They're available in multiple formats as well, including AI, PAT, and PNG. Number 9. Doodle Seamless Pattern by Nathatype. With an artsy, free-flowing vibe, this pattern set is ideal for applications in need of an injection of creativity. It includes a colorful nature design that comes with 6 different color schemes in high resolution. Download this pack and fill your designs with these colorful, fun leaves. Number 8. Camouflage Pattern Set by Mastak A. Real camouflage lovers know that it doesn't just come in one variety. There are tons of prints out there, each with its own unique color palette and characteristics. Luckily, whether you're a fan of Desert or Acupat, this US Armed Forces inspired kit of 38 seamless prints is sure to have something for you. Number 7. Cottage Seamless Pattern by Denki93. Featuring a soft and subdued color scheme and a simple yet attractive design, this pattern is perfect for greeting cards, branding materials, web design, and more. The design includes a small village with adorable pastel-colored houses, giving your product a nice, peaceful, and homey feel. Number 6. Abstract Geometric Patterns by Dan Jazia. The number 6 spot on our list is perfect for making a statement or catching your audience's attention from the very first second. It boasts tons of unique, eye-catching, and appealing geometric designs in a range of colors and layouts. What's more, it's been built to scale up or down to any size without resolution loss, so you can go big without compromising on quality. All the patterns we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a library of millions of digital creative assets like Illustrator brushes, Photoshop actions, fonts, and everything you'll need to create your dream projects. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Seamless Splash Patterns by Wild Ones. This set of splash patterns is the perfect way to add some excitement and energy to your work. It is the perfect example of beautiful chaos. The kit comes with 5 different color options that will make your design look like a modern piece of museum art. Download this pack and let your creative side shine. Number 4. Memphis Seamless Pattern by Inspirasign. Who doesn't love a good Memphis print? This unique and trendy style was all the rage in the 80s, and now it's back with a vengeance. Complete with 5 different designs, this pattern pack was made with both web and print design in mind. Whether you're old enough to remember the original Memphis craze, or you're just now jumping on the bandwagon, this set is sure to add some fun and flair to your work. Number 3. Brick Seamless Pattern by Garrisman. With this kit created by Garrisman, you can create brick textures and edit them in a matter of seconds. Including 7 different patterns, it's perfect for all your crafting projects, from gift wrapping or invitations to posters or wallpapers. This kit has you covered. Number 2. Watercolor Seamless Textures by Creative Form. The number 2 spot on our list includes super realistic, hand-painted watercolor backgrounds. This kit includes 7 different textures packaged in different formats like AI for Illustrator or PAT for Photoshop. Perfect for flyers, business cards, wallpapers, or presentations. It's time to get creative with this pack now. You can find the download link in the description below. Number 1. Floral Seamless Pattern by Nathatype. floral and natural prints never go out of style and have been pervasive in design for centuries. This particular pack includes 10 different original patterns, each in stunning detail and vibrant colors. It's especially valuable for its versatility. You could just as easily use these patterns for web design as you could for wedding invitations or other stationery. Download this pack and explore the possibilities. So there you have it, our top 10 seamless pattern templates from Envato Elements. What do you look for in good pattern design? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We recently published a video with our favorite Illustrator brushes. Click on the thumbnail shown on your screen to watch it. See you later!